Hey, it's Sammy on April 5th. We had to wait around a little while today for all the momentum to align. So as you can see now, as we get in this trade, we've got multiple time frames throwing nice momentum. As we're in the trade, the sentiment starts to rise across all the time frames, and we have a volatility break on the 30-minute chart. We quickly move our stop loss up to break even plus 25. We've got our take profit target up by weekly S3, monthly S1 in that daily pivot zone. When we punch through this 23.6 Fibonacci level, we're going to go ahead and lock this trade with 1150 pips. As you can see, our trade did punch through all the way up to our take profit about 5 minutes later. It's all good. We're going to have a great weekend in front of us. If you're ready to use this powerful data to take consistent winning trades day after day, book a strategy session. We'll walk you through the process.